My dear students, in my previous video I had given you some question to solve, exercise 1.5. So let's see the solution of that question. In this question we have to put the sign of equality smallest and greatest number between two numbers. So let's see here. A is, which number is greatest, 2224 or 3223? So we will look at the thousand place firstly. So look here, in this question, in this number, at thousand place which number? 2, and in this 3. So 3 is always bigger than 2. So this is the greatest number. So we took here this sign. Okay. In next, 5425 or 6126. So 6126 is greatest than 5425. See, 1120 is greater than 775. In D, 2224 is greater than 85. 6325 is smaller than 8405. Next, 7000 is greater than 6000. In G, 5420, and this side is also 5420. So both are same. So we will put here this sign of equal. In H, 5268 is greater than 5258. And in I, 8135 is smaller than 8215. And J, 3524 is smaller than 3526. In K, 1254 is also smaller than 1635. In L, 4432 is greater than 4222. In M, 8068 is smaller than 8200. In N, 3480, and this side is also 3480. So both are same. So we will put here this sign of equal. In last question, 6000 is greater than 5999. Okay. In previous video you have studied about the comparing of number. Okay. So now we will study about the arranging of number. Means smallest to greatest or greatest to smallest. So look here, ascending and descending order. What is ascending order? Writing a number in ascending order. We can arrange a number in increasing order by arranging them from the smallest number to the greatest number. This is called ascending order of number. It's mean ascending order of number means smallest to greatest. छोटे से बड़ा. Firstly we will write small number, after that greatest, smallest than this number. Firstly we will write smallest number, after that second smallest number, after that second smallest number. Like this we will write smallest to greatest number. Okay. So to arrange the number in increasing order, firstly choose the smallest number among the given numbers and rewrite it first. Then take the next smallest number among the number left behind and write after the smallest number you have chosen. So keep on writing till all the number are chosen. It means there is a some number like this. Firstly we will choose smallest number. So tell me, which is the smallest number among these number? Yes, 1973 is most smallest number among these number. So we will write it first, 1973. So left it. In these numbers, which is the smallest number? Yes, 2396. This is the second smallest number and we have to write it now. But where we write it? Left side or right side? Yes, we will write it right side. 2396. Okay, after that, which is smallest number? 5329. After that, 7943. Okay, so we can see here this is the most smallest number and is second smallest number, and this third, and this is the last smallest number, or we can say this is the greatest number. So it is a ascending order, means smallest to greatest. And the another example is arrange the number 7421, 3618, 2401, 2222 in their ascending order. Okay, for writing in ascending order, firstly we will choose most smallest number. So which is the most smallest number? Yes, absolutely 2222 is the most smallest number. After that, second smallest number 2401, and third smallest number 3618. And now tell which is the greatest number? 7421. Okay, so we can see here this is the smallest to greatest number. Firstly, 2222, 2401, 3618 and 7421. Okay, and now we will study about writing numbers in descending order. For writing number in descending order, we can arrange numbers in decreasing order by arranging them from the greatest number to the smallest number. This is called descending order of numbers. Mean in this order we have to write greatest to smallest. Okay, first greatest number, after the second greatest, after the third greatest, and like this we have to write greatest to smallest number. To arrange the numbers in decreasing order, choose the greatest number among the given numbers and rewrite it first. Then tag the next biggest number among the numbers left behind and write after the first greatest number you have chosen. Keep on writing till the numbers are chosen. So let's see, look at the example. Arrange the number 2065, 2056, 3567, 3678 in their descending orders. Okay, for writing in descending order, first we will choose greatest number among these numbers. So which is the most greatest number among these numbers? Yes, 3678. This is the most greatest number among these number. Okay, after that, second greatest number, which is 3576. Yes, after that, greatest number 2065. 65, and last greatest number or most smallest number 2056. Okay, so we can see here this is a greatest to smallest 3678, 3567, 2065 and 2056. Okay, let's see another example. Arrange the number 6217, 8710, 7348 and 4876. So firstly we will choose the most greatest number among these numbers. So which is most greatest number among these numbers? Yes, 8710. After this 7348. Okay, after this 6217 and last one is 4876. So we can see here this is a greatest to smallest. 8710, 7348, 6217, 4876. Okay, I hope you have understood it. So let's see your homework. This is your homework. Write the following numbers in ascending and descending order. All these numbers we have to write first in ascending orders, A to E, and after that you have to write it in descending order from A to E. Okay.